Guys, not too long, had my shower and everything. How are we feeling? I don't even know. Today's objective is to kind of change strategies, and the first strategy is to add more possibilities of catching. So I'm just gonna make a couple natural rods out of bamboo. This one is bent over here, so I'm gonna make a couple rods with that. I have some extra line. The line is a little bit thick because tilapia, they can see very well, and when you're fishing you kind of want them to not see the line, but whatever, I'm gonna use what I have. So I'm gonna use this as the rod, attach a line to it, maybe find something that could be a bob so that the bait can be free hanging in the water, and let's see what we can get, you know. My blade is so rusty. It definitely bends like a fishing rod would. Alright, so I'm just gonna make a cut into this up top here so I can attach the line and that it won't slip down. So of course, the more traps you have, I mean, the more chances you get. Also gonna try to get some earthworms as well, diversify bait. So, and while those sit out there, I'll just enjoy where I am, regardless if I catch nothing or not, and have a good vibe. Let me show you how to tie a knot. Alright, so for my regular fishing rod, I do have a floaty. Well, this is the one for like, that replicates the shrimp call, but I need to get something that can float so that the bait can hang. I'm gonna try to get something like styrofoam. That's always here in some garbage or something. Sad to say, but you can use it as a resource. All right, I got lucky. Didn't find styrofoam, but I found these. These are what I think, well, not what I think, what I know the fishermen use to hold their the fishing lines, so it keeps it above. And yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's the same thing that came off of a slipper bottom. Yeah, slip-ons. All right, so we have this small hook attached, and then about 2 feet we have the slipper. Alright, so I'm just trying to use as much information that I know about tilapia, and that's they prefer these shallower waters. So that's the bread. Oh, the little ones are going after it like crazy. Yo, it's ridiculous. Anyway. Alright, you guys can see the shooting bobbing. It's a little fish that are having a little frenzy on it, but hopefully can attract a big one if any is in it. Alright, let's set some more. She's gone, bro. Yo, it's just so funny. Like, yo, Vanilla chases some of the craziest stuff around here. But this is my breakfast. I am hungry. Thank the Lord for guava. I have coffee and I have tea. When I got it this morning, I was just like, I'm good. I don't want to have any. I want to catch a fish. Vanilla! She's barking at something, I don't know what. Come on! She's been barking somewhere for a minute and she's not coming when I'm calling her. Something might be wrong, or she might have found somebody. Alright, let's try to find where she is. Do you hear her? Listen. You know, this little dog it's the same thing that I fell into yesterday, the needles. This dog is just gets crazier and crazier, man. Oh, don't fall again. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Vanilla. I see her somewhere up there. Vanilla. Come. Come here. Vanilla. Something is freaking wrong. Something smells dead. Vanilla? Good. Alright, there's the raft from yesterday, but it's over here. So they definitely moved it. Vanilla! What do you see? I honestly don't want to go because I would hate to see a dead body. Come, Vanilla. What happened? You don't even know how nervous I am right now, guys. Okay, she's right here. She's running around. Just running around. This dog is on top of a log. Vanilla, what happened? What are you barking at? Okay, she's hunting. She's definitely hunting something. I'm glad it's not a person or nothing like that. She's hunting something. I should be setting up more traps, but let's see what Vanilla is hunting. Alright, she definitely was chasing something that has eluded her. She's been sniffing the bark, trying to go inside it. She's crying. But at least it's not a person. Nobody's trying to harm her, so I'll leave her to do her thing. Keep hunting, sis. Are you good now? Alright, so we're searching further along the bank. I suppose here doesn't have any nets, so might be able to set some traps out here. So let me just explore some more. There goes nothing. Oh. Vanilla, you fell. Oh snap. You guys heard that? Alright. No nets here. Guys, we found dinner. No joke. I don't think you guys can see, but somewhere there's a nest with eggs, yo. I'm so hungry. If there's a way that I could actually get to it. How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably equivalent to 2.5 chicken eggs. I wouldn't take all of them though. I would take maybe like 2 or 3. But why is the egg just like out there in the open? It's just like, oh, come get me. I heard the sound. I was like, is that mama bird? Oh, God. I don't know if I can get to it. I'd have to get into the water. That sounds pretty good. I don't think this is the right way. I'm to rethink this plan and come back for these. At least I know where they are. She fell. Oh. If I'm not lying to you, those eggs have me looking for more eggs, because I've noticed that there are birds that are always calling around this area here. Vanilla chases after them. So if I can't catch a fish, you know, possibly we can get eggs. The whole point of this 48 hour, because I heard Vanilla fall in the water again. Vanilla! Yo, the whole point of this 48-hour challenge is to, you know, see how tough it is, see what I can get, and have fun with it, be out here in nature and spend time with Vanilla, Vanilla! Oh, she's somewhere. Yeah, GoPro can't pick up so far. Come on! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It took you 20 seconds. Oh my God, to find my love. All right. Let's go finish the fishing lines and then we'll see what happens. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Found a worm. And this one is fully intact. Alright. Let's look for some more. Oh, found another one. Don't want to break him in half. Ooh, this is a bigger one too. Yo, I saw one. Oh gosh, I shouldn't have taken my eye off of it. So I just got some more. I found that they're trying to escape, so I gave them a little dirt so they can feel safe and try to go under that instead of leave it. Oh, bro. I heard a sound just now and I swear it was Vanilla, but then oh boy. Seems like it's getting a bit rainy, or should rain soon. dark clouds are over. To show you guys, have the 3 fishing rods. I'm not taking the other one that I have, the manufactured one. Have the hooks hooked into there so I don't get stuck, because trust me, fish hooks are the worst. Alright, let's set these up and see if we get lucky. Alright, I'm gonna take a shortcut through here because that part with the thorns, I cannot do it with all these stuff. Even without it, it was very difficult. Yo, in these parts, it feels like everything is just out to fight you, yo. It is so dense in here, but I am heading to the little part that looks like a slope where maybe if there's heavy rainfalls, water will run down. And I think that would have cut out that little part there, because I cannot fall off that thing again. Vanilla, is your Vanilla wicked? Vanilla is nowhere to be found. She gone. She not here. Oh, there she. Vanilla, she heard her name. You see her gone, left me? Alright, gotta go because ants are biting my feet. Wow. All right. Vanilla not see me. Vanilla didn't see me, you know. Yo, she ran all the way down there, and then she was smelling, but now you see me. All right, what I'm gonna try to do now, guys, I'm gonna try to find like a bottle, something that I can put the eggs in so they don't break.